Are you seeking an effective solution for running your FMCSA medical practice? Then the Engage FMCSA Medical Manager from eHealth Engagement LLC is the ultimate tool for getting the job done. Developed by FMCSA medical experts for FMCSA medical examiners, the Engage Medical Manager was designed based on the guiding principles that it should be easy to use, secure, compliant, and engineered to ensure an exceptional medical management experience. From the minute you start adding a new examinee through to the moment a driver receives their DOT medical certification card, the Engage Medical Management Platform has your needs covered. Let's take a look and see how. To begin, each member patient that you set up using the Engage Medical Manager will immediately receive access to the Engage for Members patient portal. Through the patient portal, your patients will be able to review medical test results, check their medical appointment history, manage their medical practice membership within the eHealth Engagement Medical Network, and enter their medical history intake information. Now, let's get into the FMCSA Medical Manager and look at member patients and how to work with them, starting with appointments. Creating appointments is easy in Engage. Just select the desired time slot and click Create. Then fill in the appointment details. Once you have filled out your appointment, then click Create once more. Now you can select the patient's encounter definition based on one or more encounter templates that can be predefined. Let's use Quick Search to find a patient in this practice and then create a medical exam for them. Here is where you can create a medical exam. Jumping back to the member patient portal, a great time saver is that by having your patients fill out their intake information online before their appointment, not only will you reduce the waiting time for patients, but then all of the member patients' up-to-date medical history information will auto-populate into each medical exam that you create. Let's create the exam. The medical examination module is designed based on the actual FMCSA medical examination. However, we've added so much more. To begin, every health topic throughout the medical exam module is actually an entry point to access the proprietary Diagnosis and Treatment Builder tool. Using the Diagnosis and Treatment Builder, you can link pre-mapped ICD-10 diagnosis codes to the history item and then define your comprehensive treatment plan. Next, you can link one or more treatment periods to the diagnosis, assign the appropriate CPT codes, and assign the appropriate RX items. Once you have ensured that the patient's current health history is up to date, you can perform and record all of the necessary testing and physical examination work. A very important feature is the private Engage FMCSA Exam Tutorials for Medical Examiners website. This private site is always kept up to date with the latest FMCSA regulation changes. Additionally, the site includes in-depth medical guidance and explanations. Once you believe that you have your examination complete, then you can review your master treatment plan, which allows you to see every ICD-10 that has been added and all of the subsequent medical work underneath. Additional features also include the ability to track each member's vaccinations and referrals, and you can keep all your related documents with your member patient's account. Once you are ready, you can make your determinations for both federal and state, and then send the medical examination to the end-of-day FMCSA transmit queue by simply clicking Send to FMCSA. Then, at the end of the day, you can go to your practice's FMCSA queue and transmit each exam to the FMCSA as appropriate. Lastly, for each exam, you can run the visit statement, which will give the information necessary to make available to your billing department. The Engage Medical Manager provides a number of additional tools, including integrated task management that will allow you to send tasks with attached member accounts or medical examinations, access to the Engage Medical Network to send requests to existing network patients to join your practice, and the ability to define your medical associate support accounts so that each member of your team can have their own Engage Medical Manager account managed and tracked under your account. The Engage Medical Manager has everything that you need and more to run your FMCSA medical practice with confidence. Visit our website at www.ehealthengagement.com to learn more.